Hi, my name is Mohammed Mahmoud. Thank you for entering your email on the last page. I want to congratulate you on taking a massive step to create your online business. Do you know why I decided to do affiliate marketing? I do not need to create my own product in affiliate marketing. I just have to sell other people's products and make commissions that I can live off. I realized this is the easiest way to making money online. A quick story about me. On 29th of October 2022, I survived two bomb blasts while I was in my apartment in Mogadishu, Somalia. This made me realize that my life is more precious not only to me but also to my loved ones. I did not have to continue working as a freelance journalist and risking my life in the most dangerous city in the world. I have either to go somewhere safe or find a job or a source of income that does not put my life in danger. During this period, I was making little to no money as a freelance journalist. Also, my other media consultancy job was not making me enough money. So I made a bold decision to change the way I make money by getting into affiliate marketing ASAP. In affiliate marketing, you don't need any products, experience, tech skills, or even a team. You don't have to worry about customers or support. You promote and earn commissions by just creating a system that works 24 hours. It's not always easy to turn your life around, but it's possible. If you're feeling stuck in your life and you feel that you don't have a way out, this 3-day training might just be what you need to give you the freedoms that you're seeking in your life: time freedom, financial freedom, and location freedom. Now, I want to introduce you to my mentor, Jonathan Montoya, who was able to quit his 9-to-5 engineering job in just 9 months. He is going to show you exactly how he built a 6-figure business with this 3-day business breakthrough challenge. Click on the button below that will take you to the next page to get access to the video and how to get started.